Good morning all of you. Welcome in our video class. Myself Rajulal Soni, PGT Biology, St. Joseph Public School, Tom. Now we will discuss about the product of photosynthesis. देखिए, listen me. Whenever any process will occur in the world, that process will also produce something. In that manner, photosynthesis also is a process. It means it will also produce something. Whenever any chemical reaction proceeds, it will also give some products. In that manner, photosynthesis also gives some products. These products are related to photosynthesis. There are two types of products related to photosynthesis: main product एंड बाय प्रोडक्ट. मेन प्रोडक्ट, चीफ प्रोडक्ट, सबसे ज़्यादा क्या बनने जा रहा है या हम क्या चाहते हैं, दैट इज नॉन एज मेन प्रोडक्ट. द मेन प्रोडक्ट इज ग्लूकोज. फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज C6H12O6. ग्लूकोज कन्वर्ट्स इनटू स्टार्च. Stable form of glucose in plants. Listen carefully. There is a plant which is situated in a dark room, and there is another pot plant which is situated in a open ground, that is in sunlight. In these two plants we will observe after 24 hours. One plant will participate in photosynthesis, another one plant will not participate in photosynthesis due to lack of sunlight. It means sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. What are the evidence that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis? We can check it. Listen, there is a chemical test to check it. There is a solution known as iodine solution. Iodine solution. There is a iodine solution in our practical lab. Iodine solution gives blue-black color in presence of starch. Listen, there is a test tube. There is a solution of starch solution. We will take a test tube, we will fill a starch solution in a test tube, and we will put few drops of iodine solution. We will observe that starch solution color become blue black. It means iodine solutions gives blue black color in presence of starch solution. Iodine solution gives blue black color in presence of starch solution. Thus we can use the iodine solution. A pot plant which was in dark room, we will pluck the leaf and we will follow some process in practical lab. After it, we will put few drops of iodine solution on the surface of the leaf. Then we will observe there is no blue black color in that leaf. It means there was no photosynthesis. There was no photosynthesis, it means there was no production of starch. That's why starch does not give blue black color on that leaf of that pot plant which was situated in dark room. Another experiment, we will take the leaf of that pot plant which was situated in open sunlight. or open ground. We will pluck that leaf, we will follow the procedure in practical lab, and after it we will put few drops of iodine solution on that leaf of surface. We will observe that a blue-black color was observed, or we will observe on the surface of the leaf of that pot plant. Why? Because there is photosynthesis was proceeded. Due to that, glucose was formed. Glucose was converted into starch. Starch is a stable form of glucose in plant. That's why iodine solution in presence of starch gives blue-black color. Thus, we can conclude that plants forms starch as a main stable product. Starch is also a form of glucose, and glucose is the main product of photosynthesis, which converts into starch for stability. And formation of starch or glucose only proceeds in presence of sunlight. That's why sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Another two products is first oxygen and second is water. Water, which forms during photosynthesis, get absorbed by plant or maybe releases in form of vapor by the process of transpiration in the environment. Whereas the oxygen, which is byproduct but essential product of photosynthesis for living world or living survival, because all living things participates in respiration to form energy, and respiration only occurs in presence of oxygen, that is O2, and O2 forms during photosynthesis. We can observe in this reaction 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. 6O2 is the byproduct of photosynthesis, and oxygen, some amount of this oxygen is utilized by that plant for his respiration, and remaining amount of oxygen is released in this atmosphere for living survival. Thank you.